In the name of Allah, who is most merciful and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will start linear graphs and their application, unit number 8, class 9th, subject maths, exercise 8.2. In this lecture, we will learn how we can construct the linear graph. Before starting unit number 8, we will discuss some important points of this chapter. Linear graphs means to say linear equation. In this linear equations, exponents of a variable having equals to 1. Now, this is a Cartesian plane. Horizontal line are known as x-axis and vertical line is known as y-axis. Now, both lines meet at point O. Both are perpendicular to each other. Now, you have to take positive value for upside of y and downside of y having negative value. Right side of x having positive value and left side of x having negative value. Now, this is known as first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Now, you have to take the gap of 2 centimeter here, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 2 centimeter. Now, here 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 and 2 centimeter. Same gap you will take here. It is known as ordered pair. In ordered pair, first value for x and second value for y. So x equals to 3 and y equals to 2. It cannot be happen that first value for y and second value for x. Linear graph exercise 8.2 question number 4 part number 3. Draw the graph. F equals to 9 by 5c plus 32. Now this is in fraction form, so it will be easy for you if you will remove the fraction. So you have to put such values which remove the fraction and which comes in the table of 5. So first you have to put c equals to 0, then put 0 in place of c, then whole term equals to 0. So you have to get plus 32, then 0 plus 32 equals to 32. Now next value you have to put 5 because 5 comes in the table of 5, so it will remove the fraction. Put c equals to 5. 5 cancel with 5. Now left term is 9. 9 plus 32 equals to 41. Next is put c equals to 10. Now 5 1 the 5, 5 2 the 10, 2 9 the 18, 18 plus 32 equals to 50. Now you have to construct table. At c equals to 0, you have to get 32. At 5, you have to get 41. At 10, you have to get 50. Now you have to construct linear graph for this table. Let's see. At c equals to 0, c is 0 at this point. Now at 0 you have to get 32. This will be the 32. Now you have to mark this point. This is the first point. Now second point, at 5 it will be equals to 41. So you have to add 5. For example, this is a 40 and I think it will be 41. This is the 41. Now you have to raise 5 up to 41 in dotted form. Now here you have to, now these two dotted lines meet at this point. Now second point. Now next is at 10 you have to get 50. So at point 10 you have to raise 10 up to 50. Draw dotted line up to 50. Now you have to draw dotted line here. Now at 50. Now 50. You get 3 points. Now you have to join these 3 points. You have to get, now you have to get this linear graph. Now this is known as point A, point B and point C. This is the graph. Now I hope you have to learn this graph. Now fourth part is 1 rupee equals to 1 by $86. This is the symbol of dollar. Now you have to let 1 rupee equals to y and dollar equals to x. So 1 by 86 x. Now this is also in the fraction form, so it will be easy for you. You have to remove the fraction. So you have to put values of x such that which comes in the table of 86. So first of all you have to put x equals to 0. Now you have to get y equals to 1 by 86 into 0. So y will be 0. Now you have to put 86, x equals to 86. So y equals to 1 by 86 multiply by 86. 86 cancel with 86, so you have to get y equals to 1. Now you have to put x equals to 86 two times. I think it will be equals to 172. So you have to put x equals to 172. Now 1 by 86 multiply by 172. 86 1 the 86, 86 2 the 172. So you have to get y equals to 2. This is a short question, so 2 or 3 values enough for graph in short questions. Now you have to make the table x and y. Now you have to plot these values on graph. Now you have to draw the graph, so you can take the gap of 2 centimeter. It's your own choice. You can take also gap 1 centimeter. 4, 6, just 3 values you have to take here. So x is 0, 86, 172 and 86 3 times, I think 258. Now you have to take the same gap here, 2 centimeter. 4, 2. Next. Now you have to take 3 value, 0, 1, 2, then 3. Now at x equals to 0, y is also 0. Now you have to mark this point. Now at 86 you have to get value of y 1. So you have to draw a dotted line on 86 up to 1. Now both lines dotted are meet at point this. Now at x equals to 172 you have to get y2. So you have to extend this line up to 2 in dotted line. Now 2 here is. Now check that both dotted lines meet at this point. Now you have to join these 3 points like this. Now this is the graph. This is A point, this is B point, and this is the C point. Now I hope you have to construct that how we can draw the graph. Remember one thing for drawing the graph. You can put any values. You can put plus values, you can put minus value, you can put also 0. It's your own choice. But in fraction form linear equation you have to put that values which can remove the fraction. It will be easy to make graph for you. Now Allah Hafiz.